this is Sharlene from Sharlene's World. Let's go! Let's go! Welcome to Sharlene's World. Hey, Sharlene's World. Sharlene's World. I love Sharlene's World because you can do whatever you like when you hear my voice.
It's me, Sharlene, and welcome back to Sharlene's World. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to make 3 different kinds of slime. The slimes I'm going to be teaching you how to make are regular slime, fluffy slime, and crunchy slime. So, what you will be needing are Elmer's glue, shaving foam, hand sanitizer, lotion, baking soda, food coloring, foam balls, glitter. Glitter's optional and color's optional. A mixing tool, laundry detergent, and a mixing bowl, and some containers. So, the first slime I will be teaching you how to make is regular slime. Take this. This is what you will be needing. Let's get on to making the slime. So, the first thing you have to do is pour the glue into the container you're using. I just eyeball the glue. I don't make like a measurement, nothing like that. Okay, that's good. The next thing you will be needing is hand sanitizer. What in the world? Now you need lotion. I guess that's good. Next, you will be needing baking soda. So, I'm just going to take a little bit and pour it into the bucket. Or, put it into the bucket, not pour it. Now you'll be needing the food coloring. Again, food coloring is optional. See, I think that was a little bit too much, but that's okay. Now you'll be needing glitter. Glitter is optional too. I just want glitter. Then you will be needing to mix it up. Well, you have to mix it up. You mix it up until everything looks mixed together. Like, I'm going to show you how it looks when it's mixed all together. When it's all mixed together. This might take a while.
One eternity later.
I think I need a bit more activator. Okay. I might need more baking soda. The baking soda is for the slime not to be sticky. How you know that the slime is ready is because it's not sticking to the bowl or whatever you're using to make the slime in. Okay, now it's time to go in with your hands. So you just pick the slime up and you start mixing it. Like if you see if it's kneaded in, if it's not sticking to your hands, that means it's all kneaded in and the slime is ready. So now that my slime is ready, I'm going to put it in the container. So let me get the container with the bucket away. Put the slime in and put the cap on. That was our first slime. Now it's time to make the next slime. And the next slime we're going to make is fluffy slime. Okay. Now that my bucket is clean, so the first thing you do for this slime is pour the glue in like usual. Okay, that's good. Now it's time for the shaving foam. Wait, first I have to shake it up. Oh, and you guys don't get scented shaving foam because it might smell disgusting. Next, I have to put in the hand sanitizer. I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna take that for the lotion. Whoopsie! I did a boo-boo. I might need a paper towel. And I need more lotion because wait, I don't need to close that. I need the baking soda. I just need a little. Wait, I need a little bit more because the last time I had to add more baking soda. So that's good. There. Okay. Now it's time for the food coloring. I'm using pink this time. Okay. And it's neon bright pink. The next thing I'm going to use is blue glitter. Glitter in food coloring is optional again. Okay, that's good. Next, you have to mix it up. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, guys, this, how you know this is ready is when the color, you don't see any more of like the color that's not mixed in, and everything has to be mixed in. Okay. That's good. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's good. Now it's time for the activator. Don't worry, guys, if you're using the same activator as me, the color won't change because I made slime that's like a really light color and the color didn't change. So the color is not going to change. Okay, let's get this up. Oh my goodness, this is sticky. So I have to mix this until it's not sticking to my hands. And the shaving cream is to make the slime fluffy. Then I have to mix it more. I just have to knead it more. Now I have to get the rest that's in the bowl. And that is really sticky stuff. And again, this slime smells horrible because of the shaving foam I'm using. Shaving cream, shaving foam, who cares what you call it? Now I need to get that. There's still stuff in the bowl, so I'm gonna... Now I have to get the rest. There's only a little bit more in the bowl. I think this is going to be the last time I really do the bowl. gosh, there's a bubble. You guys, look at it, a bubble. And when I'm touching it, it's not popping. Every time you touch a bubble with slime, it pops. This is not popping. Can we make it bigger? Pop. I popped it, you guys. This is pretty. Okay, now I have to put it in the container. Oh my goodness. This is sticking to my hands a little bit. I have to take it all off my hand. Okay guys, sorry for having to pause the video. The reason why I had to pause the video is because this slime was about to turn into an epic fail. Epic fail. I fixed the slime up. It took a little while. I just added a little more baking soda. So now I'm gonna put this slime in the container. Close it up. If you guys thought this was the end of the video, it wasn't, because I'm gonna play with it. So we'll play with it. Play with it. Since I don't want to make a mess on this beautiful counter, I'm just gonna put a little bit of wax paper on the counter. So the first slime I will be playing with is the regular slime. I think this is the regular slime, right? No, this is the regular slime. This is the regular slime. Because I remember doing this slime first. Okay, so let's open this thing. Baby, put it on this paper. Let's play with it. I'm going to poke it. Oh my goodness. Okay, now put this. Looks like a banana. I'm going to make it a banana. Okay, now I'm going to attempt to make a bubble. I'm just going to take this stuff because the bubble might be big. Eee, I need to hold this. Oh, yeah, I made a bubble. So it's in there. I'm going to pop it. Okay, this thing is over. Let's answer one of the questions. The answer was, why did the chicken cross the road was to get to the box store. So the next time I'm going to be playing with is just the plain fluffy slime. Open it. Put it out. Ooh, this is pretty. In it. I'm gonna take it out. Probably from my last slime. Now I'm gonna try and make a bubble. I'm gonna try again. What in the world? I'm gonna try again. Oh my goodness! I'm gonna put this on the table. If this isn't. No, this is too messy. I'm just going to do it like this. Okay, let's stretch it. I always do it like on the floor. Like this, but not on the table. I never made a bubble with slime on the table. Yay! You guys saw that? Daddy-do, do like this. Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. Now I'm gonna put that in the container. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna be making is the next slime I'm gonna be playing with is the blue, crunchy, fluffy slime. That was almost on the counter. I'm gonna be playing with this. The counter. Get out the way. Now I need Epic fail. I'm gonna make a donut. I mean, not a donut, a pretzel. So I need a heart first. So a heart. And then I need to put the pretzel, I think, right here. Wait, the heart. Oh my goodness, a heart. A heart. Then I need to put the heart right here, I think. Oh, the fail. I'm just gonna make a donut. Okay. Oh, and the answer for the last question, the question was, wait, why did the cat chase the dog? The answer was because the cat was the dog's girlfriend. Look at my mom's face. She's like this. So now let's put this away. And let's give these slimes a poop test. Poop test. Poop test. Okay, let's do this really fast. This video needs to end. Okay, let's give this a poop test. Poop test. Poop test. Poop. Poop. Okay, let's give this a poop test really fast. Oh, I need to hurry up. This video needs to end right here. Okay, poop it. Poop. There we are. And the last poop is gonna be made. And then I have to say bye to you. Poop. See, there's a poop. Poop. Okay, you guys. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching, and please click like and subscribe, and turn that bell from gray to blue. I think it's blue, right? Yeah, I think it's blue. So please tell me which slime you want me to make next time, or what challenge